I think everybody's really on board, and I'm really excited to move forward.
Across the USA, then everybody.
My name is Leslie Johnson, and I work in purchasing here at Flory. The demand-driven planner program was amazing, and I think that we are going to benefit from this program in ways that we don't even realize yet. It was exciting to be a part of it, and we have so much more to learn, but I think it's going to be amazing. I love the DDBrix because, well, I love to play games, I like to play with toys, and I think that is what most of the people who work here love to do as well. It really brought us together as a team. I've never worked so closely together with everybody in such a positive way. So I really loved that course. I think everyone was excited. We had meetings afterwards. People were positive and excited to see where it goes. The tools that are offered with this, for the purchasing department specifically, I think are going to be amazing. We currently don't have a lot of the reporting capabilities that we're going to see. I'm excited to see us be able to focus more on the important parts of our job and not spend so much time on everything. It's every day takes forever to get anything done, and I can see that we are going to have so much time in our day to work closer with our vendors, set up better minimum order quantities, and negotiate. We have more negotiating time. All the things that we want to do every day that we can't do now. I'm excited to see us be able to do it. The planning department, so excited about all the tools that are going to be available to them to just be able to figure out what their capacity is for real. What's the capacity? And how is all this going to affect them financially is really great to be able to see that without spending days trying to get it out of a system, multiple systems.
We're waxing down our